Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, as we tried to do Chicken Parm. This is an American classic Italian knockoff, but if we do this well, it might help a buddy have some romantic success tonight. This was a request, so we'll see. If you use ingredients readily available all over the world: chicken breast, mozzarella cheese, parmesan, spaghetti, olive oil, tomato sauce, plain tomato sauce, no floaties, dried basil, a little bit of red pepper, salt, sugar, flour, and breadcrumbs. So we'll see how it turns out, and we're rooting for Chris's success tonight. Hope to have an update for you tomorrow morning. But tomorrow morning's Easter, so I don't know if he's planning on taking her to church to meet his grandma or not. I think he probably should. Great way to get to know the family.